Hello everybody. In this tutorial we will learn how to make a frequency distribution table on Excel. So here on the left side we have a bunch of numbers on this column. Um, all these digits are below 10, so from 0 till 9, and each digit is repeated at least twice. And we want to know the frequency. We want to create like a frequency table out of this column of digits. So since all the numbers are below 10, we can divide our numbers into 5 classes, and the range of each class is 2, because 10 divided 5 equal 2. So that's a convenient way to do it, to do our classes. So 5 classes, and the range of each class is 2. So here, as we see, this symbol means that this class, the digit is larger than or equal to 0 and less than 2. And here, the second class is larger than or equal to 2 but less than 4, and so on. So how to do this, how to create, how to know how many digits are larger than or equal 0 and less than 2, we have an Excel function for this, and that is the function COUNTIFs. So here we search for it, COUNTIFs. There is COUNTIF and there is COUNTIFs. The difference is the number of criteria that you can put in. So COUNTIF allows you to put just one criteria. So if you so for here, for example, one criteria will be larger than or equal 0. But we have a second criterion, and that is less than 2. So for this, we have more than one criterion, and therefore we choose COUNTIFs, because then we can uh, input multiple criteria. So first, what we do is, first of all, we have to select our range of data. So in this case, that's our column here. So that's the first thing we do. We select our column of digits as our range, and then put comma, and now we put the first criterion. On this function, when we put the criterion, we have to use double apostrophe. So like this, and the first criterion is larger than or equal 0, larger than equal 0, and we close the apostrophe. Now we have to input the second criteria. But first, what we need to do is to select the range again. So we comma, so first we select the range, comma, apostrophe, and we put the first criterion. We close the apostrophe, and then we make a comma, and then we select the range again before putting in our second criterion. And comma, again, double apostrophe. That's always when you put in your criterion. And we do less than 2. Close the apostrophe and then close the brackets, and we click enter. Here we go. We have 4 numbers in this class. So 4 numbers are larger than or equal 0 and less than 2. And here we go now onto the second class. We do the exact same thing. Equal COUNTIFs. We select our range. apostrophe, and here we do larger than or equal to, because that's the second class, and then comma, we select our range again, comma, we open a double apostrophe, and we put less than 4. And we close brackets. Here we go, 5. So 5 numbers exist in this class. So 5 numbers are larger than or equal to and less than 4. Shall we check it to see if it is correct? So we have here, we have 1, 2, that's 1. There is a 3 here, that's 2. Another 2, 3. 3, 4, and another 3, 5. So that's correct. So 5 numbers are larger than or equal to and less than 4. Here we go to the third one, third class, same exact thing, equal, count ifs, select our range, comma, criteria, always double apostrophe for criteria, don't forget. Larger than or equal 4, comma, select our range again, comma, double apostrophe, less than 6. Close brackets. That's 6 numbers. 6 numbers are larger than 4 or equal, larger than or equal 4, less than 6. Now we go to the fourth class. Equal, count ifs, select our range, criterion, larger than or equal 6. Select range, comma, second criterion, less than 8. That's 2 numbers. 2 numbers are larger than 6 and less than 8. And now the last class, equal, count ifs. The journey is about to end. We select our range. Here's criterion, larger than or equal 8. Select our range again, and we put the second criterion less than 10. Here we go. Now we have 4 numbers in the class larger than or equal 8 and less than 10. So this is how we do a frequency distribution table in Excel. This is our frequency table. Here is our classes with all range of 2, and here is the frequency for each class. And of course, if we add all those numbers in the frequency column, we will get the total numbers of those digits in this column. I hope that was useful for you. I wish everybody good luck.